Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Markets are still in a good, strong uptrend. Today, the Dow was up 530 points after a doji gap up off the T-line. And notice where the uptrend started again. Use the 50-day moving average as a strong support level, using the piercing signal, one of the 12 major signals. The best friend signal implies more upside, which would kind of indicate a breakout through this level, taking us up toward the top of this trend channel, which would get you pretty close to the 200-day moving average. Taking that all into an account, that kind of alludes to the fact that we're probably still going to have some more upside. May not be up straight up, but still heading in this direction. And the NASDAQ, which had been moving up nicely over the last few weeks, opened higher and came back. So here's a good sign in the strength of the markets. When you've got profit taking going on in one index and strength in another, that means money is just rotating. It's not coming out of the markets. This is all additional information you can glean based upon the individual signals that are created on any trading entity during a specific time frame. So we've had some strong stocks in the crude oil area. Crude oil, as you can see, has come all the way back up to where it's trading just above the $34 level, and there's still nothing yet to show any weakness. Even though we're in the overbought area, it's still trading above the, not only the T-line, but still above the 3T line, implying more upside. Recommendations in the past, like Halliburton, still working. Things like OPM that came out of this best friend signal, making the next likely target, the 200-day moving average, got there today. So this is not rocket science. This is just identifying which signals and patterns produce the best strength. And when you can apply that to witnessing it occurring at places that everybody else is watching or buying, it just adds that much more credibility that you're in the right place at the right time. The weed stocks, last week we saw was starting to pick up some strength, and they've continued. CGC actually gapped up above the 200, making this very simple. If it opens lower tomorrow, you take your profits. HZO, another specialty retailer, that whole sector is starting to move very well. We've recommended some stocks in that area, and you can see that it's continuing to move up since the kind of the little gap up bobble breakout of last week. And we recommended TEN based upon it gapping up today, doing a best friend breakout, pretty much showing us wave 1, wave 2, now going into wave 3 with this best friend signal telling you there's a lot of strength at the breakout level. And notice how they use the T-line as support, also more upside. The regional airlines, we recommended CPA, same scenario. Notice how it held the T-line and then did a gap up best friend signal today, telling you this level and the 50 is not acting as resistance anymore. Look for it to at least come up to this level and maybe back up into this trend. So right now, with the market indexes staying well in this trading range and slowly moving up, you can take advantage of a lot of good sectors, knowing that the candlestick scanning techniques will illustrate which sectors are showing the great or the best strength. And those are based upon the signals like the best friend signal or the fry pan bottom breakout or the J-hook pattern. Stay long. There's still some more upside. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.